Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Style News Network. So today we're going to be taking a look at some fierce hairstyle ideas. We start off the video with this hair transformation, cute little blonde, short pixie style. Next up, we have an all black pixie cut. Followed by this chocolate brown pixie, and she is working that outfit. Then we hop into another short and sweet pixie style. This one features a copper color. Then we have a chocolate bob. Color looks beautiful against her complexion. And this bob does feature some curtain bangs. She can wear it or flip it to the side. And then here we have this red haircut transformation. This came out so cute. So the stylist kind of shapes the hair up. So this man knows how to color some natural hair. I love it. He even know how to do a twist out, add a little bit of texture. Okay. That came out cute. Color is hot. Perfect for her complexion too. Next up, we got another all black pixie style. Followed by a hair install. Looks like she got a pixie here. I love the color combo here. This is pretty. Then we have a bit of a chop. And a relaxer color. Copper. Ooh. Oh, wow. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, I love this color against her complexion. That is a perfect match. So pretty. It's so bold and vibrant. Just gorgeous. Super cute style. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all of the gorgeous hairstyles featured within today's video. I'll leave you with this last blonde makeover. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.